Hey y'all, and this is my lesbian craving. Welcome to my food porn. I paid $6.18 reusing those frozen turkeys from Thanksgiving. Yes, it was still a little frozen from thawing out. Take out the turkey neck and the gizzard, and you can place it in a Ziploc and freeze it for later to make some gravy. Go ahead and clean it out. Take out all of the plastic. Make sure that you get everything out and wash this turkey. I did wash it in some vinegar and lemon juice. You want to section out the different parts. This was the thigh and the leg. So go ahead and section out the breast. You would never believe this turkey came out so tender. I love all the different pieces. Place it inside of an aluminum pan after you have washed it very good. Here was that bag of turkey wings, very expensive now. This was about $28 worth at $5.99. You want to season them after you wash them with your kosher salt. Wash them in vinegar, of course. I have some onion powder, garlic powder, white pepper, some complete seasoning, and you want to go ahead and rough chop up a green bell pepper, a white sweet onion, a red bell pepper, and if you have celery, you can add celery as well. This is also a green onion, and this is called mise en place. Yes, I did go to culinary art school. I do have my mojo criollo, creole, however you say it, sauce or seasoning marinade. Get your aluminum foil because you're going to marinate this 24 hours. Now you're going to do the same thing for your whole turkey. The same seasoning, complete seasoning, kosher salt. Take your mise en place, chop it up, rough chop. Add your Creole marinade. So that was half a bottle of the rest. And then the next day, you're going to put them inside of the oven. Bake them off at 425 degrees. Now you want to make a gravy. You want to take some all-purpose flour inside of a measuring cup, about half a cup, as well as your browning, your kitchen bouquet. You're going to add some oil, some Worcester sauce, and a little bit of water. Make a gravy. You're going to pour that into your pan. Try not to put so much on top of the meat because you're going to have to take your turkey broth and actually baste it. I'll use white navy beans, the small ones, and add them to the gravy. You want to go ahead and loosen up your meat. You now want to go ahead and bake your turkey wings at 475. You may have to go all the way up to 525 to get that crispy brown color. And now you want to do your plate presentation. My client wanted turkey wings and also turkey drumsticks, so I gave her a little bit of extra. And this is absolutely amazing. If your sauce gets a little salty, because when it stews down, it gets more saltier, add water. You definitely want to add water to your liking. It's all up into your taste buds. And I know my client's going to be happy because this was absolutely amazing. Don't forget to follow, like, share, and comment so I can know that you are learning. If not, I'm going to stop these free tutorials and move on to something else.